Installing SetupVPN on your Opera browser is very easy, but first, just make sure that you're running the latest version of Opera. Version 67 contains a bug which will cause you problems making connections. Then you'll also need to be able to install Chrome extensions in your Opera browser. So if you haven't already, just Google Opera Chrome extensions and install that extension first so you can make use of Chrome extensions. You can also find this Chrome extension by visiting the Opera add-ons store and searching for Install Chrome extensions there. Now let's install SetupVPN. We'll come to the Chrome Web Store, search for SetupVPN, and add to Opera. Click OK, install, and confirm. And now you're all set. SetupVPN is running. I'll choose my language, create a new account, and I'll save this unique auth code somewhere safe in case I need it later on to log in. Click Let's Start. Select which location you'd like to have for your IP address. And now you're surfing the web from that location in your Opera browser. You can confirm this with any IP address checker, we have one built right in, and we can see that indeed we're surfing with that IP address.